In this video, I'm going to show you some of the season's best-selling modern dresses. Dresses that are more neutral and versatile. The kind of pieces that you could wear every day and just style them a bit differently each time. And they're just really easy styles to wear on every body type. I have something in this video for everyone. Let's get started. My name is Lori Hill, and on this channel we talk about fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Please make sure to subscribe and comment and like. Remember that all the links are down below for each clothing item. When you click one of these links, I make a small commission. Let's get started. For the first item, I have this free assembly polka dot dress. And you guys, I was a little wary of buying this, but when I tried it on, I thought it had the cutest fit. Honestly, you won't know if it looks good on you until you try it on. You need to try on this dress. It's been a bestseller for weeks now on Walmart's website. This is the free assembly polka dot cotton maxi dress. This one has such an easy and feminine flair to it. It's made from 100% cotton, so it's really breathable and lightweight, which I always appreciate in a longer dress like this. The silhouette has this relaxed fit with a classic fit and flare shape. And I love the sweetheart neckline with puff sleeves. It really gives it such a pretty, slightly vintage feel. The pleats in the front add some movement to this dress, and the polka dot print really stands out. It also has a hidden back zipper, so it's easy to get on. And one of the best features of this dress are some side pockets. We women really need pockets, and I'm so happy when a dress has pockets. It's machine washable and comes in sizes from extra small all the way to 4X. Up next, I have the scoop lace collar dress. This one is so pretty on. Again, another dress that's really important to try on. It's made from a breathable cotton linen blend, so it's really light and comfortable for warmer weather. The fit and flare shape is super flattering, and I love the neckline with this little lace trim along the neckline and sleeves. It just gives that soft romantic detail. It also has a tie front and seam detailing in front. That gives the dress some structure without it feeling too restrictive. This one is machine washable, and it also has side pockets, yay, which we always love. It comes in extra small through 4X. Up next is this dress by Time and True with a very similar silhouette to the other dress, but it's a bit more form-fitting. So it's for my girls who want a more form-fitting silhouette. This is the Time and True Smocked cotton peasant dress made from 100% cotton. It's really breathable and comfortable, especially for warmer days. With that pretty smocked waist that naturally gives you some shape. The neckline is really flattering, and you can just pull this dress on. It has the cutest short puff sleeves and tiered skirt that give it that soft, flowy movement when you walk. This is one of those dresses you could easily just throw on and go to lunch with the girls. Can feel comfortable but still look really put together. Comes in sizes extra small through 3X. Up next is a little bit of a departure from what I usually wear, and I was pretty hesitant to put it on. It is not my usual style, but I know it was a bestseller, so I wanted to show you all. This is the Time and True knit swing dress, and this one is just an easy throw-on kind of piece. The fabric is a soft knit made from rayon with a little bit of spandex, so it has that fluid drape with a hint of stretch that makes it really comfortable to wear, and it's an A-line swing shape. I do love that it moves nicely when you walk without feeling clingy. It's a short sleeve style with simple crew neck, and the length hits you above the knee for that casual everyday look. And the shorter length keeps it feeling really fresh and casual. This is a great dress to put under jean jackets, other denim items, and it's a very simple pullover style. It does have its side pockets. It's machine washable and comes in sizes extra small through 3X. Another swing dress by Time and True. This one I really liked a lot. I could picture wearing a jean jacket with this underneath. I love that it's an A-line shape. It doesn't cling. It's very loose, but still flattering. I'm wearing the Time and True sleeveless knit swing dress, and this one is just an easy throw-on style. The fit is relaxed with that beautiful A-line swing shape, and I love that it moves nicely when you walk without feeling clingy. It's a sleeveless look with a simple crew neck, and the length hits you above the knee for that casual everyday look. This is the kind of dress you can easily throw on for running errands or a casual lunch. And it looks really cute layered with a denim jacket. if you want a little extra coverage. It's a simple pull-on style. It has side pockets, which I always appreciate, and it's machine washable. It comes in sizes extra small through 3XL. Here I have the Pretty Garden women's fall off the shoulder dress. Just like the name says, it's a relaxed going out look. It does slightly fall off your shoulder, but you don't have to have it styled that way, which I really love. This one is such a fun going out feel. The fabric is a stretchy ribbed knit, so it hugs the body, but still feels comfortable and easy to move in. I love the off-the-shoulder neckline with the long sleeves and the flared cuffs. It gives this really flattering, slightly dramatic look. The adjustable ruching along the side lets you control the slit and the length a bit, which does create that bodycon shape while still feeling comfortable. And the above the knee length keeps it kind of playful and flirty. This is one of those dresses you could easily reach for a night out or for someone's birthday party. All the occasions where you want a bit more of a fitted silhouette. It's fully machine washable and comes in sizes extra small through 2XL. In the video, I am wearing the pink version of it. It does come in a multitude of colors, so please check the link to see all the colors available. Last but not least, I have a dress that I showed in my last dresses video, and I wanted to include it in this one because it does have such a beautiful neutral tone to it. This is Free Assembly women's and women's plus embroidered cotton mini dress, and this one just has such a pretty summery and spring feel. It's made from 100% cotton, so it's really breathable and comfortable, especially on warmer days. And it has a fit and flare silhouette that is very flattering without being too tight. And I also love the square neckline. The straps are adjustable, and the little floral embroidery adds such a nice detail that makes the dress feel more special. This is one of those dresses you could easily wear to brunch or a summer event, even on vacation, and still feel put together. It's machine washable and comes in sizes extra small through 4X. Remember everyone, the links are down below for all of these dresses, and they are numbered links. Now, which dress caught your eye? Which one do you think you would wear on repeat? Let me know down in the comments. And just so you know, I will be doing some mid-tier fashion as well because I've had a lot of requests for it. So that's going to be starting here in the next video or two. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you all next time. Love you. Bye.
Bye.